some spinach dip. Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today, we are going to make spinach dip. Okay, so right now, naglalagay tayo ng olive oil. Now, para saan ba tong spinach dip na to? Pwede nyo siya ilagay sa crackers, sa bread, at marami pa, even chips. Marami pa iba't ibang mga purposes kung saan nyo pwede gamitin yung spinach dip.
So we need garlic and onions.
Okay, garlic and onions. This is also good kung may mga party, tapos kailangan ng pika-pika. Yeah. Nanay raised her eyebrows. Okay. So now, nilagay natin yung garlic. And then some of the onions. Oh, so this is the spinach. Now this is just leaves na dinikdik. Dinikdik ba to na leaves or paano to ginawa, Nanay? Okay, na chinap, naka-chop na leaves. Dahon lang to, any ordinary parang dahon sa puno. And then yung itsura niya, and then chop niyo siya and lulutuin. So, naluto na siya. How can we tell yung mga kalutong bahay natin na paano ba siya niluluto? I mean, yung spinach. Ipa-fry lang siya?
Inisa lang.
Inisa.
Inisa in some oil.
Parang oil.
Lang.
Yun na yun. Dapat
you have to piga it. You have to rinse it. Take all the water out.
Oh, what do they use to piga? Oh. Okay. So this is what it's looking like right now.
We add the cream cheese.
Now we're adding the cream cheese. So now we added some cheese. Parmesan cheese.
It's good.
So there we have it. This is our finished product. The spinach dip. There we go. Spinach dip. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe.